Do you want to download OBS Studio for professional screen recording? Then follow the step. Go to your favorite browser. Search OBS Studio Download. Click on the first link. Click on Download Installer. And here we go. Our download is started. After download, go to your download location. Right-click on the file and select Open. Select Next. And select Next, then Install. Install the app where you want. And wait for complete installation. Select Finish. Congratulations! The download of OBS Studio Art is complete. You can later update it. You can add scenes, sources, and many more. And main part, it is free to use. You don't need to pay anything. From here you can start and stop recording. Soon I will upload full tutorial for this.